Now, another very special part within our community is the Masters Club Recognition Program. Now, this is something very close to my heart because I have now been personally recognized as the longest standing Masters Club member for consistency of all time. I'm sharing this with you not to boast. Over 5 years, no fail, every single day and week. I followed in the footsteps of my mentors, stayed plugged in, kept showing up, and kept growing. And now I have been able to carry this on by recognizing others for their own consistency, progress, and growth. And this is why recognition matters so much to me. The Masters Club is about celebrating the people who are staying consistent, learning the skill set, and showing real growth along the way. It is not about just one result. It is about the commitment behind it. Each person recognized has their own flyer created and becomes part of their own portfolio, their own journey, and represents their own consistency, progress, and growth. For me, sharing others, appreciating others, and recognizing people along the way is key for me. I know just how important that was for my own journey, because when people are putting in the work, they should be seen, celebrated, and encouraged. That is what the Masters Club Recognition Program is all about. You will become part of that for your consistency, growth, community, and helping others to rise too.